Wednesday, this is Enid Sinclair.
Welcome to Ophelia Hall. Not a hugger. Got it.
Why are you crying?
Because I'm upset. Haven't you ever cried? Are you above that too?
I can feel your heart.
You want to be alone Wednesday? Be alone.
I'm counting every step as you climb the stairs.
You will use anyone to get what you want, even if it means putting them in danger. We could have died tonight because of your stupid obsession, but we didn't. I've tried. Really hard. Tonight was just the icing on the birthday cake you couldn't even be bothered to cut.
Goody warned that I was destined to be alone. Maybe it's inevitable. But for the first time in my life, it doesn't feel good.
Still not a hugger. Got it.
Is it really so difficult for you to admit that now that she's gone, you might actually miss her?
I'll survive alone. I always have. No, I don't really feel better.
Always put myself out there. Thought of your feelings.
I never asked you to do that.
You didn't have to. And the fact that you don't know that says everything. Oh my God, thank you. You're the best. So, how's everything going?
This is the third time in 24 hours I've forgotten something.
You really suck at this.
Turn that off. This is your final warning.
Don't mess with me.
I'll think about it.
Wait, you're joining the Black Cats? You're willing to do that? For me? Where are your whiskers?
Ask again and you'll be down to 8 lives. I regret not showing my gratitude towards you more appropriately.
You really mean it?
Take the win, Enid. Enid, the mark you have left on me is indelible.
It doesn't work. We shouldn't. But we do. You're right. Not hugging is kind of our thing.
It's all we know, the hurricane.